So if you need a workbench in a pinch, just a hollow core door and a couple of table saws, and there you go. It's a good flat surface. It's portable, it's lightweight. It'll hold my miter saw, no problem. So this gives me a area to work. I'm going to be mitering some trim. When I'm done, it's easy to clean off. Just use a air compressor, blow it off, or I like to use a paintbrush. Pack it up. It'll store in the garage next to the vehicle, so I don't have to go too far with it. And the beauty of it is, it's a flat surface, multiple purposes. I can use clamps to glue things, and I'm not too concerned about it getting ruined if a drill or it gets beat up somehow. But it's cheap and inexpensive, especially if you've got a spare door laying around your house, which I had several. So just a quick little tip. This is how I roll when I have to work outside of the barn closer to the house. All right, hope it helps you.